They moved the cows back over here by the road. Brindley's checking them out. Look at these babies. Brindley said, I want them, Mama. She said, I need one. She said, I need one of them babies. That little bull. Well, there he is. Little bull looking horn. Boy, he's going to be muscled up, looks like. Or it looks like a bull the way it's built. Stocky. Sure is a pretty color. I don't know, I'm trying to see if it's a bull. You can't tell because he's behind the bushes. Sure is pretty, whatever he is. Boy or girl. Lay down in a mud hole. See that spring water? Hey there, pretty girl. Pretty boy? You a pretty boy. You not no girl. Maybe they're both boys. Boy, that little one right there sure is stocky, ain't it? You a boy? Or a girl? I can't tell. I think they boys. I think they both boys. These two are smaller. Maybe they're females. I don't know. They sure are pretty. I like the color of this one. It's kind of a reddish. I don't know, y'all. It's kind of reddish and black too. Pretty babies. Y'all come on over here and visit for a minute. We ain't got to look at no pretty little baby calves in a while. They've had them moved, I guess, for the summer. I don't know. Or maybe these are new ones. Maybe he sold the other ones. Y'all, I'm a bad videoer today, aren't I? I'm watching Brindley and not looking at the camera. There you go. We can see you right there. How about that one, geezer? Y'all go over and visit my friend Calvin, RV living with the geezer. When he gets back up to the Raised Right Ranch, he'll show us some cows when he gets up there. He'll be moving back up there soon by his son in Boyd, Texas, I believe. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me in the comments. But don't tell my son I made a mistake. He thinks Mama does everything right. Y'all, I am joking. That is a joke between me and him. Y'all hadn't got to watch Brindley walk in a while because it's been so hot. We got a little spring water running in the ditches today from the rain. That's good. Boy, County takes good care of these ditches. They ain't been mowed all summer. Look at this growed up mess. I usually call down there and fuss at them, and I ain't called. I guess I need to call. It's terrible you have to call, ask them to come do their job. And once again, the neighbor up the road let his dog just go to the bathroom right in the middle of the road, regardless of no respect for anybody else walking. Sad, but that's the day we live in. That's the days we live in. No respect. Sun's starting to set. I'm getting hungry. Y'all, I haven't sat in my recliner all day long, and it's probably 7 o'clock in the evening. I started out going to Cushion to the food pantry, and I have been busy ever since, but I had a lot to do, and I'm glad I got it done. I procrastinated because of the heat, and it was kind of humid today. It ain't real pleasant out, but it's better than 110. I take 92 anytime over 110. That sun looks pretty on those trees. I'm still waiting for the power people to come take them trees down. That ain't happened yet. Remember, I cleared all this up here on the bridge a while back? Well, now I can see the water and see the rain cleared the creek. Remember, it was real dark and muddy? Now it's all sandy and pretty again. See what this side looks like. Need to pull the weeds up over here. This side's kind of murky. I don't know what I'm hearing. Ain't another limb falling. See, there's them old limbs up there in that tree. It's been like that since Snowmageddon came. It kind of killed this side of the tree, I think, off. This is the north side. Pretty 4 o'clocks. The Hummers has been down there on them, and they're behind that bush, and I can't even see that from the house. Pretty. I got some more right there. Those hadn't bloomed. Those are a different color. I don't know what I'm hearing chopping and making that noise, but maybe it's a neighbor over behind my house. I redid. Can y'all see my shadow? Brinley has got me tangled up. Ooh, look at them long legs. That's a long-legged woman right there. I'll show y'all this hyacinth bean vine blooming. Isn't that pretty? It's gotten real pretty the last few days since the temperatures has dropped, and we've got a couple of little showers. It was much prettier in my other yard, but I'll take this because we'll have seeds now for more blooms next year, for more plants. But it's taking a pretty good hold there on the fence. I went to Ollie's today because they had a big sale. They had a tent I wanted, a 2-man pop-up tent that you just shake and pop up for $19. Well, I didn't make it over the weekend, and they were out. But I scored because I got these 2 pots for the price of one, which was half of what I give for my blue one around there. That's not near as big as these. If y'all remember, I had those black metal hangers, and y'all go back and look at some of my videos. They were hanging off, leaning down. They didn't look very good. Didn't fit good up on that board. Somehow they were made to fit on a 2x4, but they never fit on that 2x4. But I took my dianthus, bought me some new soil, and I've repotted them. And there's the blue one. And I give for that blue one what I give for both of those. I don't really like that color, but those can be painted, but that's okay. Those are fine. And I planted these in the spring to be pretty for the fall, the colors. And look at there. Looky there how pretty that purple and orange is. And I got some of my fall decorations out on the porch that I'll show y'all in a video soon. I'm not gonna do it. And I thought my salvias was dead. And since it rained, look at that salvia. There's a pink one coming up, and that one's red. Red on one side and pink on the other side. And that's a hyacinth bean vine on my mailbox. But anyway, we're gonna finish this little walk. It's been about 10 minutes. That's long enough. Y'all probably won't watch it through. But I'll tell y'all this, if I start watching somebody's video, I watch it all the way through. I watch it all the way through. And I try to go back and play them. Let me see if I can move this limb sideways. Sorry. Oh, there's a little kitty. Oh, Brittany saw it. The neighbors are out up there. I'll go back this way. Let's go back this way. It's getting shaded. Anyway, love y'all. Jesus loves you more. Sunset. Me and Brinley's got to finish this walk and go get us some supper. Y'all be blessed. We'll see y'all later in the next video.